Here. Wanna wait? Oh, oh. Your turn, your turn. Oh, excuse me. I will step on your small truck. You guys play. And I will
Share.
play by myself.
Share your toy with her. She's just a baby, my love. Excuse me.
Okay, your boarding process. We're now accepting zone number 2 guests for our flight D2ECE from South Korea. Once again, please open your passport with biometric and hold your own boarding pass. Once again, please open your passport with biometric and hold your own boarding pass, please.
Nagano mo sila. Oh, excuse me daw. Oh, you guys play.